this video, I will be discussing about the differences between anatomy and physiology. Okay, so the first thing that you have to keep in mind as to where this word anatomy has come from. The word tomy means to cut. Now, do you know the meaning of the word atom? Now, the word is from Greek and it literally means tomios, which means something that cannot be cut further, which is to say that atoms are so small that they cannot be further dissected. Now, this is an old philosophy which is wrong because the Greeks did not know about neutrons, protons, and electrons. But the thing is, the reason as to why they use the word atom is because they thought that these particles are so small that they cannot be divided further. So the word atom is related to the word anatomy. Okay, so in anatomy, we do a lot of cutting. Basically, our aim is to dissect the human body and as to see and see all the different bones, muscles, and different aponeurosis, fascia, connective tissue, uh, all the different organs of the body, and sort of study as to how they are as to where they are located, uh, so that later when we study the function of these organs, we are able to sort of know where these organs are located exactly. Okay, the word CT is also related to the word anatomy. The word CT means computerized tomography, which means that, see, CT is very similar to an X-ray. The only thing is that in CT you take many different X-rays. Okay, you sort of cut the body into different regions and you take X-ray of each region. So this is called computed tomography. So the word tomo is related to the word tommy in anatomy, which means to cut open. On the other hand, in physiology, we basically, look into all the different kinds of chemical reactions and how all the different sort of blood pressure and how all the organs sort of function. So when you study the word when you study physiology, we look into the function of different organs. In earlier times, biochemistry and physiology used to be one subject. So when I was at a medical college, my teacher once said that in our times biochemistry and physiology used to be one subject. So biochemistry was a part of physiology. Nowadays biochemistry is a different subject in its own right, but biochemistry can also be considered to be a part of physiology in some sense. Okay, so basically, we learn about jaundice, we learn about um, so the opposite of physiology is pathology. In physiology, we basically study the the normal functioning of normal functioning, so that we can better understand how things go bad in pathology.